In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Odoo database. This is a crucial task to ensure that your valuable data is securely saved and can be restored in case of any unforeseen circumstances. Let's begin by heading over to the Odoo website. This is your starting point, where you'll have access to all the tools and features that Odoo offers. Once on the website, you'll need to sign in to your account. If you haven't yet signed up, you'll want to create an account to proceed, as accessing your databases requires login credentials. So log in with your credentials and you'll be directed to your dashboard. You'll notice a profile icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. This icon is your gateway to personal settings and account-specific options. After clicking the profile icon, you'll see a drop-down menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled My Databases. This is the section where all your databases are managed and listed. Now, when you've opened My Databases, find the specific database you intend to back up. Each database will be clearly listed, so it should be straightforward to identify the one you need. Click on the name of your chosen database. This action will navigate you to the management page for that particular database. On your database's management page, look for a button or link labeled Manage. This is a critical step as the Manage section possesses all the tools you need to alter, modify, or back up your database. By clicking Manage, you gain access to a suite of management options. Scroll down on the Manage page and you'll encounter a section explicitly titled Database. Within this section, you'll notice the Download Backup option. This is your destination. Click on Download Backup to initiate the backup process. This action will start the downloading of your database backup file to your local drive. Now here's a quick tip. Ensure that you have sufficient storage space on your local drive for the backup file, as databases can sometimes be quite large depending on how much data they hold. Also, storing your backup file in a secure location, such as an external hard drive or a cloud storage service, can offer additional peace of mind. By following these steps, you've successfully backed up your Odoo database, ensuring that your data is safe and can be restored when needed. Regular backups are recommended to keep your data secure and up to date. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and guides on making the most of your Odoo experience.